Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital slow cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Portable Set and Forget Digital Programmable Slow Cooker. With nearly 5,000 raving reviews, it came as no surprise to us to find out for ourselves that the Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker is loaded with features and made of excellent quality. It's perfectly sized at 6 quarts, enough to serve about 7 people, and has the capacity to cook a 6-pound whole chicken or a 4-pound roast. Though this is a digital slow cooker, it's technically a digital and a manual slow cooker, just in one. Unlike most slow cookers on the market, the Hamilton Beach allows you to cook meals at a specific temperature, and it comes with an attached temperature probe so that you can know the exact internal temperature of your meats and dishes, which you can see on the digital display. The glass lid is a locking lid, making this a great slow cooker for potlucks, family gatherings, or wherever else you may need to transfer your slow cooker to without spills. Bear in mind that you probably shouldn't lock the lid when the food is cooking, as this may result in a shattered lid. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker is easy to use and relatively affordable. It features a digital timer, 4 buttons, and 3 heat settings. The timer can be set anywhere from a 30-minute cook time up to 20 hours, and like the previous slow cooker, automatically switches to the keep warm function when the timer ends as to not scald your food. The buttons consist of a select button that you use to select the temperature setting, up and down arrow buttons for the timer, and an off button to power the slow cooker down. The glass lid is a locking lid, so you won't have to worry about spilling the crock-pot's contents when moving it, and both the removable inner crock and the lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The inner pot without the lid is also microwave and oven safe for reheating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Programmable Slow Cooker. The Cuisinart Programmable Slow Cooker is petite and perfect for a family of 2 or 3. It has a capacity of 3.5 quarts, an oval inner crock, and a unique and beautiful glass lid with a glass knob. It has a touchpad control panel with 4 cooking modes: high, low, simmer, or warm, and a digital timer that can be set up to 24 hours with the plus and buttons. When the timer ends, this slow cooker automatically switches to the keep warm function to prevent burning or overcooking. The outer pot is made with stainless steel, so it's easy to clean, and the inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe. Another great thing about this slow cooker is that it's entirely BPA free. And whenever you need to transport this slow cooker, you can do it without burning yourself, thanks to the Cool Touch carrying handles. At number 2, we have the Pioneer Woman 6-quart Programmable Portable Slow Cooker. The Pioneer Woman Rose Programmable Slow Cooker is both colorful, with blue and red roses with green leaves, and a programmable slow cooker. Compared to the other slow cookers on our list, this one is much simpler and doesn't have as many features. For example, it's missing a digital timer, so you won't be able to watch the time count down. It is super easy to use though, and features 3 temperature settings: low, high, and warm. Set your food to cook for 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours with the hours button. When the time ends, this slow cooker will automatically switch to the warm setting to avoid scalding your food and keeps your dish at acceptable serving temperature. And finally, at number 1, we have the Magic Mill 10-quart Slow Cooker. The Magic Mill is a large option with a capacity of 8.5 quarts. It features a sleek digital display with a timer, 4 buttons, and 3 heat settings, and can serve 9+ people. The timer can be set to a cooking time of 30 minutes up to 20 hours, and the slow cooker switches to the keep warm settings once the timer ends to prevent scalding. Buttons include a power button to turn the slow cooker on or off, a mode button to select one of the heat settings, low, high, or warm, and positive and negative buttons to control the timer. The glass lid is a locking lid, making carrying this slow cooker a breeze, and both the lid and the inner crock are dishwasher safe to make cleanup after each meal less of a hassle. What's unique about this slow cooker is that the timer actually visibly counts down so that you can make any side dishes at the appropriate time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.